Here's something that might surprise you. A 52-year-old executive I know was spending 3 hours every morning just managing emails and scheduling meetings. 3 hours every single day. Then she discovered a simple AI tool that cut that time down to 20 minutes. That's nearly 15 hours back in her week. If you're between 35 and 55, you've probably noticed the world moving faster than ever. Your inbox is overflowing, your calendar is a mess, and everyone keeps talking about AI like it's some complicated tech thing only programmers can understand. But here's the truth. The right AI tools can give you hours back in your day without you needing to know a single line of code. Welcome to Life with AI. I'm here to show you practical tools that actually work for real people with real lives. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos that'll save you time and reduce stress. And quick heads up, some of the tools I'll mention have affiliate links in the description below. Using those helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Let's start with email because it's probably eating more of your time than you realize. Most people over 40 are managing work email, personal email, maybe kids' school updates, volunteer committees, and on and on. ChatGPT and similar tools can help you write emails faster, but there's something even better. Tools like SameBox and Clean Email use AI to automatically sort your inbox. They learn what's important to you and what's just noise. That newsletter you haven't opened in 6 months? Gone. Receipts and confirmations? Automatically filed. The email from your boss about tomorrow's meeting? Right at the top. I tested this myself. My inbox went from 847 unread messages to 23 messages that actually needed my attention. It took about 10 minutes to set up, and now it runs in the background every day. Here's the practical part. You don't need to understand how the AI works. You just tell it what matters to you, and it handles the rest. It's like having an assistant who knows your priorities. If you're in meetings all day, whether that's Zoom calls for work or video chats with family, this one will change your life. Tools like Otter AI and Fireflies join your video calls and automatically create transcripts and summaries. Imagine being fully present in a meeting instead of frantically typing notes. Otter listens to everything, identifies who's speaking, and even pulls out action items. After the meeting ends, you get a clean summary sent to your email. My colleague uses this for client calls, and she told me it's like having a second brain. She can focus on the conversation, knowing she won't miss any details. Later, she searches the transcript for specific topics instead of rewatching an hour-long recording. The setup is simple. You install it once, give it permission to join your meetings, and it does the rest automatically. Most people I know started using it and never went back to manual note-taking. Whether you're writing work reports, updating your LinkedIn, or sending a thoughtful message to someone, getting the words right can take forever. This is where tools like Grammarly and Jasper come in. But these aren't just spell checkers. They help you write better, faster, and in your own voice. Grammarly suggests stronger word choices and catches mistakes you'd never notice. Jasper can help you draft entire documents based on just a few bullet points. Here's an example. You need to write a professional email declining a request without sounding rude. Instead of staring at a blank screen for 20 minutes, you give the AI context about the situation. It drafts something polite and professional in seconds. You tweak it to match your style, and you're done. The best part? These tools get better as they learn your writing style. After a few weeks, the suggestions feel like they're coming from you, not a robot. You probably already have Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant on your devices. But most people use these for basic tasks like setting timers or checking the weather. These tools can do so much more, especially for making daily life easier. You can use voice commands to send text messages while driving, add items to your shopping list hands-free, or even control your home's lights and thermostat. For people with arthritis or vision challenges, voice assistants can be life-changing. Here's something practical. You can create routines. Tell Alexa, "Good morning," and it can turn on your lights, read your calendar for the day, start your coffee maker, and give you the weather forecast, all with 2 words. My friend's 68-year-old mother struggled with her smartphone until she learned voice commands. Now she asks her phone to call her grandkids, read her text messages out loud, and remind her to take medications. She told me it made her feel independent again. The key is taking 30 minutes to explore what your device can actually do. Most people never get past the surface features. This category is huge because AI personal assistants are getting incredibly smart. Tools like Motion and Reclaim look at your calendar and automatically schedule your day based on your priorities. They block time for focused work, move meetings around when conflicts pop up, and even suggest the best times to take breaks. Think about how much mental energy you spend just managing your schedule. These tools take that burden off completely. You tell them what's important, maybe finishing a project proposal or making time for exercise, and they rearrange your day to make it happen. There are also AI tools that help with personal finance. Apps like Mint use AI to track spending patterns, suggest where you can save money, and alert you to unusual charges that might be fraud. For people worried about retirement planning, tools like Betterment use AI to manage investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. The pattern here is the same. You set your preferences once, and the AI handles the ongoing work. It's not replacing your judgment. It's giving you better information to make decisions. AI isn't replacing your doctor, but it can help you stay on top of your health in ways that weren't possible before. Fitness apps like Fitbit and Apple Watch use AI to track your activity, sleep patterns, and heart rate. They notice trends you might miss, like your sleep quality dropping or your resting heart rate changing. Some apps can even analyze your symptoms and suggest whether something needs medical attention or can wait. MyChart and similar patient portals use AI to flag unusual test results for your doctor to review quickly. For mental wellness, apps like Calm and Headspace use AI to recommend meditation exercises based on your stress levels and goals. They're not therapists, but they're helpful tools for managing daily anxiety. The important thing is that these tools empower you to be proactive about your health. You're not waiting for problems to get serious. You're catching them early. Here's something critical. AI is being used by scammers, but it's also your best defense against them. Email services like Gmail now use AI to detect phishing attempts and suspicious messages. Your bank uses AI to spot unusual transactions that might be fraud. You can also use browser extensions like Guardio and Norton Safe Web that warn you before you click on dangerous links or visit suspicious websites. The key is understanding that if something seems too good to be true, like a message from Amazon saying you won a prize, it probably is. AI can help flag these, but your common sense is still the best protection. Many local libraries and senior centers now offer free classes on spotting AI-generated scams. These are worth attending because the techniques scammers use are getting more sophisticated. The point of all these tools isn't to make you a tech expert. It's to give you time back for the things that matter: your family, your hobbies, your career, your health. AI works best when it's invisible, handling the tedious stuff so you can focus on living your life. Start with one tool. Pick the problem that annoys you most. Maybe it's your overflowing inbox or your chaotic calendar, and try an AI solution for 2 weeks. You'll be amazed at the difference. What's the biggest time waster in your day that you'd love to solve? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to Life with AI for more practical tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.